Set A is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is made up of 4, 6, 9. We are defining a relation R from A to B, and the relationship R is given by, it is made up of set of order pair x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in row-state form. So this is your question. So we are trying to relate elements from set A to set B. Okay. So let's add that information. This is R between A and B. So the elements are 1, 2, 3, 5. And here it's 4, 6, 9. Now, a small note. See, the question is clear, right, about the elements, but not the relation. What they're telling is, well, you have to find the difference between what? X and Y, such that the output is odd number. So we have to think in this term or this way. How is that I'm going to get odd? What is the possibility? Whenever we have an even number subtracted with an odd number, I'll get odd. Whenever I have an odd number being separated by an even number, again I'll get odd. So with this general idea in mind, then we can jump on to the diagram, right? 1 can be related to all the even numbers. So these are the possibility. Then 2 is related to, okay, let me do that later. 3 is related to 4 and 6 because again it's the same funda, odd and even and even. 5 is related to 4 and 6, again odd, even and even. And at last 2 is related to, even is related to odd. This is the funda, is it not? So basically your relation R in the row-state form will be 1 and 4, 1 and 6, 2 and 9, and then we have 3 and 4, 3 and 6, and then we have 5 and 4 and 5 and 6. So here please understand that you need to learn the sequence of thinking. Okay, first we'll try to visualize, think about the question, think about the principle on which the output will be working on, which we understand. See, difference between numbers is odd is the principle, actually the basic principle, but the principle with which we can think of the output and get the output faster is that, okay, if you take an even and odd combination, my answer is done. So that basic principle, if you can figure out, then you'll be able to figure out the relationship, and then whatever is the question, you can write those.